everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to recreate this glamorous makeup look that's perfect for all your New Year's Eve celebrations. It's just bomb. And yes, I know, and I'm sorry, it's been a while since I posted a video. Things were extremely busy on my side. As some of you might know, I moved to a new home, which is very exciting, and also the wedding season took the best of me. But I'm back. I couldn't just not do one last video for 2018, so I'm here, I'm recording it. It's Christmas Eve and I'm doing it. There is a huge giveaway that's part of this video as well, and it's again my way of saying thank you for all your support in 2018, and I can't wait to just give all those amazing products to one of you. So just keep on watching. Alright, so the first step I'm gonna do is to prep my face to make it extra glowy and moisturized, and I'm gonna be starting with Elemis Pro-Collagen Marine Oil. It's my favorite oil as of right now. I'm really obsessed with it. As you can see, it's barely there already, but it gives you that beautiful glow to your skin, that J-Lo glow, and it really hydrates and moisturizes. But if your skin is oily, it also balances it out. So it's great for all skin types, and it just gives you that beautiful glow, as you can tell right now. And now I'm gonna go ahead with my favorite moisturizer for underneath makeup, which is the Kiehls Ultra Facial Moisturizer. As you might know, a lot of makeup artists are using it because it's, again, great for all skin types, and it acts like a perfect base for makeup as well, and it really makes the foundation stick so much better. And yeah, it's very important to moisturize before putting any sort of makeup. Okay, once our face is nicely moisturized and dewy and glowy, we're gonna go straight to the eyes. So let me zoom in. So I'm gonna prep my eyes with Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Portion, just to make the eyeshadow really stay all night long. And now I will just put the foundation on top because I want to really get rid of any redness and discoloration on my eyes. So I tend to do that, or you can just use a concealer as well, whatever works. And lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and run tiny bit of a translucent powder all over, just to set the foundation and the primer and make like a very smooth base for eye makeup application. For my eyeshadow palette, I'll be mostly using the McGrath Dark Star eyeshadow palette, which is beautiful, perfect for night out looks. The quality is amazing, as all McGrath products, and we're gonna make it dark here today. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up that black, very deep black eyeshadow shade on my fluffy brush, and I will start building the look. So we're really smoking it out first, and I will dip into the gray shade as well, and I'm gonna take it into my crease. It's really helpful to keep looking straight while doing it, so you kind of know how to position your eyeshadow. So I kind of want this eyeshadow to run like across my lid, just kind of to create like this kind of shape, like a straight shape, and then whatever is left, I'm just gonna blend it. And for the maximum pigmentation of this black color, I will actually just use my finger and pat it, oh yeah, there we go, and pat it on my eyelids. Yeah, it's just, this pigment is insanely amazing. When both eyes are nicely packed with my finger, I'm gonna actually switch now to like a more dome-shaped, firmer brush. This one is from Laura Mercier, because I really want that definition in the crease. So I'm just gonna follow my natural crease line for now, not going past the crease, and just really blending it over there. Oh yeah. I'm going to go ahead and use this color, and again using my finger, I will be starting to put it on my lids, on the moving part of my lid, and it's just the perfect New Year's Eve sparkle, and I feel like this color really looks amazing on the New Year's Eve night. It's just so elegant. And now I'll be slowly taking it a little bit higher to the crease, so as it's really blended with the gray transition color. Now I'm taking my Urban Decay Glide On Eye Pencil, which is like super nice matte black, and I will run it along my lash line. Line doesn't have to be perfect because I will be still smudging it a little bit more. And now I'm also tight lining the upper waterline to keep everything super black, and I'm gonna run this pencil on my lower waterline as well. And now I'm going back to the black, and I'm smudging the upper part of the liner just to kind of make it nice and smoky and smudged and sexy and everything. So now is the time to clean up all the mess, just any eye makeup remover that you have. Just be careful once you get closer to the eye, because you don't want to smudge too much. And like if I'm not really happy with how far up I went, I can just gently clean it up over here as well. Perfect. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and use some mascara. I have the Superhero mascara from It's Cosmetics. And now I will start working on my face. For my foundation, I'm gonna be using the Stila Stay All Day foundation. I like it. So it's a long wearing foundation, has beautiful color. The one I have is in light 3. And I will just use my foundation brush from Hourglass and run it all over my face. It gives beautiful coverage as well, as you can already tell. And now I'm switching to my beauty blender, and I'm really packing this foundation into my skin. It really helps the foundation stay longer and look more like your skin. And for my concealer, I will be using the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. And I'm gonna pack quite a bit of it because I really want to make the under eye area really like flawless, especially with such a dark eye color. You really need to have your under eye game strong. Why not? The way I like to blend my under eye concealer is to first use like a brush, just to kind of blend it first. I feel like the beauty blender absorbs way too much product, and I really like this flawless transition, so I like to do that first. Now switching to the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Complexion brush, I will blend the bridge of my nose with it. This tool really comes in handy for all the contouring and highlighting work that you guys might do. What I like to do is I like to go over here with it, whatever is left, like whatever concealer is left, and kind of clean this up a bit more. Yeah, in this way I'm like correcting all my sloppiness with the eyeshadow previously. Again, I work fast and I know how to fix things down the road, so that's also a good tip. You also want to make sure both eyeshadow applications are kind of even and they look kind of the same, so that's very important. Look straight into the mirror and just be sure you're seeing the same thing on both eyes. And for my contour color, I'm going to be using this one from Kat Von D. It's my Pro palette, but it's from Kat Von D first on the sides of my nose. And I'm taking it to like almost the eye socket. To make it nice and bronzy and smudged. Okay, that's great. And before I actually settle my makeup, I'm running this black eyeshadow first. And now I'm dipping into the blue violet shade. Same brush, and I will be placing it more in my like inner corners and at the beginning of the lid for that beautiful pop of this color. And then whatever is left, just run it across your lower lid to kind of tie everything together. And now I'm going to be using my RMCA no color powder, which is perfect for baking underneath the eyes. At first I will just lightly place it all over underneath the eyes, like with the Real Techniques brush that I really like. And now I like to switch to my like puff. This one is from MAC. Be a little bit crazier here, and with more precise brush, like whatever, I'll bake my nose too. Okay, so I'm gonna let it sit for a while, and now let's do some eyebrows. My favorite Anastasia brow with pencil. And this color is in soft brown. Just fill in any missing spots, brush through. And now with a flat brush and a concealer, I will just curve the brows very precisely underneath to give them that look as if they were just waxed. Now I'm just running this brush, which is clean brush, and tiny bit of translucent powder to set it over here. Okay, I think that's it for the baking, and let me just dust off the excess. Like you see, the either eyes are super bright. And to set up the rest of my face, I'm switching to the Derma Blend Illuminating Banana Powder. I like it as well. I will just distribute it evenly across my entire face. Like, it's very important to make this makeup batch proof because it's gonna be a long, wild night out, and we don't want this makeup to go anywhere. And now, again, with my puff, I will just tap it up. For my bronzer, I'm using Too Faced Chocolate Bronzer in Medium Deep. And I like this bronzer because it's not too orangey, but it's also not like too dark or like ashy. So it's like in between. And now I'll be just reinforcing the nose contour with this bronzer as well. For my blush, I'll be using the NARS Orgasm blush. It's so pretty. I have this in a mini version. And for my highlight, Illuminati Artist Couture. And if you blend it with the Beauty Blender, it feels more like your skin and less like a highlighter. So that's my new trick I picked up recently. And for my inner corners, I actually want to do something like super whiter. I will be using the MAC White Frost. Make them bright and white. And I will do the same right underneath my eyebrows. For my eyelashes, I really want something big and dramatic, and these seem to be amazing. These are from Eyeshadow in style Usher, I believe. And yeah, let's put them on. And now I'm just gonna line my lips with Makeup Talk from Morphe. And for my lipstick, I will just use this lip gloss from Rihanna, from Fenty Beauty. It's in color Fussy. That's their new one, the Bomb Gloss, which is bomb, as the name suggests. And last but not least, obviously, we need this makeup setting spray, Urban Decay All Nighter, will do the job for us. And voila! What do you guys think? I think this look is just amazing for any New Year's Eve celebration. It's a lot of drama, but I feel like New Year's Eve is the only day where you can actually go this glam and this bold, so why not? And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you end up recreating something similar, definitely let me know, tag me on Instagram or anywhere so I can actually see it and comment back. But anyway, let's move on to the more exciting part, which is the giveaway. And one of you could win all of these amazing products that I compiled for you. It's a huge haul, so I can't wait to give it away to one of you. And as always, I keep my giveaway rules very, very simple. So you have to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video straight away. Secondly, follow me on Instagram because I post there very regularly. I don't want you guys to miss my posts. So follow me on Instagram. And third, just comment your Instagram handle right below so I can see and check. Thanks again for all your support. I wish you a very, very happy and healthy 2019. I can't wait what this year has in store for all of us. And I see you hopefully very, very soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye and good luck.